What's up? What's up? I am now going to be reviewing some red bottoms, okay? So, I've been having a hard time just like finding a good pair of shoes that are actually comfortable. Because I am past the stage in my life where I'm just wearing stuff just for the fashion of it while being in pain. Like, I'm over it. I'm too old for that. I want to wear stuff that are comfortable and cute. Like, why can't I have both? So, I decided to order some shoes with platforms because typically the shoes with platforms fit me well, and I'm usually okay, not in pain throughout the day. So, I'm gonna try these on. So these are 39 and a half. Oh my goodness, it seems like I need just a half size bigger, but I'm gonna still show y'all, okay? So I'm gonna end up returning these for a 40. I wear a 9, a US 9, but it seems like I'm gonna have to go up to a fucking 10 in these. Okay, let's get them on. Oh, before I even walk in them for you, let me show you a close up. So these shoes have like a tint of green in them, which I really like. So they're snakeskin, open toe or peep toe. The platform. Back. Okay. So they have this little strap. Alright, I'm gonna just put them on for y'all, and then I'm gonna walk, okay? So far, like just wearing them, they're not uncomfortable. Other shoes I've tried on, it's like as soon as I put them on, I'm like, damn, who the fuck made these? People just be creating stuff and not giving a fuck about comfort, which I don't understand. And I don't understand how you would want to like wear something, purchase something so expensive and not be comfortable in them. Like, and like I said, the old me would be like, fuck that, they're cute, like, you know, I'm gonna wear them for I'm gonna wear them and sit down. But it's like, can you really enjoy yourself? Like, let's say you're at a party or something, can you really enjoy yourself just sitting down? So yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna adjust the camera a little bit and turn it this way. In fact, I'm gonna put it on the floor so y'all can see me walking on. Mind you, don't judge the fact that my heel is a little bit, you know, I'm gonna return them and get a bigger size because I do want to keep them. Okay, these are definitely mad cute. Okay, so I did something silly. So this one is out. I should have put it in like this one, because that just looks silly out like that. But don't worry about that. I'm gonna just show y'all my walk. Okay, these are fire. And then that hint of green, oh yeah, I'm gonna definitely pop out with something nice, okay? And get low with it and be comfortable. Okay, so that is that. That's the review. Peace out. Recommends these.